In order to load data into a system in Eco Risk Projector, it's quite straightforward. You want to start by opening your system or creating a new system. You'll need to create a scenario, for example, full entitlement, and you'll want to create a new location. We'll call this one node 1. And then here is where you want to upload at this location for this scenario. The two options are to click, which will browse. If we click on the browse, this will open our file explorer and you could upload from there. For example, if I had like data, so here you can only upload CSV files or Excel files. You can't upload anything else. But more usefully, to upload files, you can use a file explorer and drag and drop. So for example, if I have this folder with a bunch of files in it, I can go ahead and say I'm going to upload flow and depth and rainfall. I can select those and I can just drag and drop them into this box. And if you had multiple different locations, you just want to drop onto the one that you're uploading data for. Once you've uploaded data, you can then select the type. So we've got depth, flow, and rainfall data here. Obviously, you can only have one of each type, so I can't make this flow as well. We can only have one flow. And then we have other data types: temperature, climate, bathymetry, evaporation compliance, salinity, and then other time series. So this available data types is frequently changing and expanding, but these core ones are what you'll most frequently use. You can then remove a file. So for example, I want to remove rainfall, and I could also download a file. This is particularly useful if maybe another group member has uploaded data and you want to have a look at it, or if you're using observed data, for example, it just gets automatically pulled, but then you might want to have a look at it. You can download it. And I would say that gives a good overview of how you can load data. I would recommend that you check out the using observed data video, as that is another method of uploading data, but is more detailed in terms of how you find gauge numbers. So yeah, that is an overview of how you load data in Eco Risk Projector.